How to limit unwanted interaction on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit your unwanted interaction on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on privacy, click on limits, and click on continue, and now choose who to limit. For example, accounts that aren't following you, or recent followers, or you choose whatever you want. And click on turn on. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.